Thank you very much. This is Matthias Kern speaking from the Secretariat of the Basel, Rotterdam and Stockholm Conventions. I'm also like to welcome all of you to this webinar. And before we start with the specific presentation from Japan, I would like to give you a little background and introduction in which context we are holding this webinar and similar webinars on the topic of e-waste. Page down, where can I? Here? No, it's not working. Thank you. As you might know, under the Basel Convention on the control of transboundary movement of hazardous wastes and their disposal, the issue of e-waste was addressed since 2002, actually in the Conference of the Parties. The issue was identified as one of the priority waste streams under the Basel Convention. In Nairobi in 2006, at the Conference of Parties number 8, the parties adopted the Nairobi Declaration on Environmentally Sound Management of E-Waste, and they focused on the theme of creating innovative solutions for the environmentally sound management of electronic waste. 2 years later, a partnership was established, the Partnership for Action on Computing Equipment. We had some experience, very positive experience in cooperation with the industry under the mobile phone partnership some years ago. So we extended the partnership now to address the issue of computing equipment. And PACE, in fact, brought together quite a wide variety of stakeholders, the manufacturers, recyclers, international organizations, academia, and environmental groups, and of course, representatives come governments. The mission of this partnership, under which actually this webinar, as I said before, is organized now, is to increase environmentally sound management of used and end-of-life computing equipment, taking into account social responsibility, sustainable development, and promoting information sharing on the life cycle thinking. So the aim is indeed to go beyond just setting technical standards or guidelines, but looking into the practicability and implementation of international norms. And today we will hear something on a specific topic in this regard as well. The scope of PACE was, or is still, the personal computers and associated displays, printers, and peripherals. However, we are looking into the context of electrical and electronic waste, of course, whenever we are discussing the issue. By now, PACE has quite a wide variety of members. 25 parties and signatories to the Basel Convention are actively participating. 11 Basel Convention regional centers, 9 research and academic institutions and UN bodies, and 15 non-governmental organizations, industry representatives, and industry associations. Here you see a picture of our last PACE face-to-face meeting in Jakarta in Indonesia, which was held end of May this year. The activities of PACE include the development of tools and guidelines on the environmentally sound refurbishment, repair of used computing equipment, and on the environmentally sound recycling and material recovery of end-of-life computing equipment. And in addition, as I mentioned before, we run a number of pilot activities and awareness raising and training programs. By now, PACE has already developed a guidance document on the environmentally sound management of used and end-of-life computing equipment, which includes specific areas on the sound testing, refurbishment and repair, and the environmentally sound material recovery and recycling of end-of-life computing equipment. If you are interested in more information about PACE, please visit the Basel Convention website, and under Implementation you find Partnerships, and then you're guided to PACE, where all the documents which have been developed until now are available for download, and also all the backgrounds and meeting documents and so on. However, I don't want to let you wait for the specific presentation, and I'm very grateful for today's presentation. Thank you very much for joining us, and I would like to give the word to Mr. Kojima to give us an insight on one specific area of e-waste management, and that is the collection systems. Mr. Kojima, you have the floor. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My name is Kojima. Good morning and good afternoon. 2006, before China introduced e-waste recycling regulation. He was collecting various e-waste such as computer monitor, color TV, printers, and chargers. In such situation, does government need to establish alternative collection system for e-waste? From the viewpoint of A and C, lower cost of waste treatment and improved resource efficiency, government does not need to intervene in recycling of the waste. But from the viewpoint of B, to prevent pollution, government may need to intervene in the collection of e-waste. Governments in some developing countries such as China and India have established the e-waste recycling system, mainly because government wants to reduce the volume of e-waste created by informal sector, which generates pollution problems. In most Asian middle-income countries, there are two types of recyclers. One using advanced technology with pollution control, and one using primitive technology without pollution control. This slide shows that some cases of the case of plastic-coated cables, coated wires recycling. These companies in the right-hand side have a machine to separate copper and plastics. The lower one uses the stripping machine, and the upper one uses the nugget machine, which cuts coated wire into small pieces and separate the plastics and the copper by gravity. But on left-hand side, you can see the kind of open burning of the copper cables. They just burn plastics and recover copper. This is another example of which formal and informal recyclers compete each other. Left-hand side is the process using acid to take gold and other metals from printed circuit board. They do not treat any wastewater, just discharge it into rivers. Two pictures in right-hand side are the process recovering copper, gold, and silver from printed circuit board with pollution control. Formal recyclers, which have invested in pollution control, often face the lack of e-waste because informal recyclers buy e-waste in higher price than formal recyclers. So that's why government should consider a kind of collection system of e-waste in developing countries. Okay, in the next section, I want to talk about the collection system in Japan. Basically, we have two acts on e-waste, collection and recycling in Japan. The first one is focusing on big home appliances, such as TVs, air conditioner, refrigerator, washing machines. Home Appliance Recycling Act was enacted in 2001. This act responsibilities of recycling mainly is put on mainly on producers, retailers, and consumers. On the other hand, Act on Recycling Small Home Appliances promotes stakeholders' effort, but not requires stakeholders to collect and recycle small home appliances. So it's a kind of a law to promote recycling, but they do not have, the articles to mandate stakeholders to do something. This is a flowchart of a recycling system on big home appliances in Japan. Regarding big home appliances, the most important stakeholders in collecting e-waste is retailers. In Japan, we have a business custom that when retailers deliver new product to consumer, retailers take back discarded one. Based on such traditional business custom, collection system is designed, and collection system in the law is designed. At that time, retailer also collected recycling fee. At that time, I mean, when the retailer delivered the new one, they got the old one, discarded one, and also the retailers collected kind of recycling fee from consumers. And they send it to send the collected money to producer, and the producer uses the recycling fee to support certified recyclers. This is the kind of flow chart for big home appliances in Japan. And regarding the small appliance recycling Act do not require stakeholders to do something, but promote actions by stakeholders, such as producer, recycler, and local government. Collection system of this act is mainly drop box collection. Drop box is specially designed to prevent someone from picking up discarded items. So this, the right-hand side, you can see the green box is the collection box for these small home appliances. Okay, in the next section, I'll just talk about some e-waste collection program in other Asian countries. The first one is a collection event. This is the case in the Philippines. Some malls in the Philippines organize a kind of monthly collection event for recyclable waste. Malls provide space to junk shops or designated recycler for collection event in parking lot or entrance of the mall. E-waste is also collected in such events. You can see there are kind of refrigerator and so on. The next one is the case of Dropbox collection organized by a non-governmental organization in Malaysia. They put the Dropbox at the supermarket for collection fluorescent lamps and cell batteries. When consumers buy new ones, some consumer have incentive to bring old batteries and fluorescent lamps to shops in order to ensure buying product with the same size. So it's a good opportunity to collect the e-waste such as fluorescent lamp and cell batteries. The next one is mobile phone pilot collection program in the Philippines, supported by JICA, Japan International Cooperation Agency. Drop boxes are placed at several malls and government offices. But the best place of the collection was a mall where tens of repair shops and second-hand shops for mobile phones were located. Although Dropbox were put at the biggest malls and government offices, the collected amount was limited. If repairing and second-hand business is common, e-waste collection program needs collaboration with them. The last example is pilot collection program collaborating with retailers. Retailers provide the training service in customer I mean retailer buy the e-waste when when consumers buy the new one. Through this pilot collection program, they try to find acceptable buying price of e-waste. What is the kind of reasonable price for collecting e-waste? So they try to find such kind of price. Okay, so in the last section, I just talk about how to organize the e-waste collection program. At first, it is better to utilize conventional market-based collection system if it is appropriate. Even if new collection system is planned to be introduced, it is necessary to understand conventional market-based collection system and to explain the merit of new system to the stakeholders. Incentives of actions in collection system should be considered. If you want to collect e-waste with positive value, I mean, if you want to buy the e-waste, then you may need to consider financial sources. Because sometimes ESM, Environment Sound Management Facility of e-waste, may not be able to buy e-waste in higher price than informal sector due to higher cost in pollution control and waste disposal. There are several types of collection system. I already show kind of a Dropbox collection or collection event and trading program and so on. But you can consider some other collection program also. And who is collecting? Many stakeholders are conducting such kind of collection program. I think it is the government should consider a kind of partnership program. Some of the collection program is conducted through partnership between government and other stakeholders. One of the easiest way to start such partnership is to organize a collection event with some stakeholders, such as big malls and designated recyclers. You can organize a collection program when someone organizes a festival or big event, or government urge shopping malls or supermarkets to organize such kind of event. That can be a kind of a starting point, I think. And as I mentioned before, repair shops may become a major collection point in low-income and middle-income countries. If the destination of e-waste sent from repair shops is not appropriate, it is good to consider how the government can change the flow. On the other hand, if retailers have programs to take back old ones when they deliver new ones, retailer is the key to collecting e-waste. And the final remarks is on the Dropbox. If Dropbox for e-waste are placed in public place, waste bins should be designed carefully to prevent someone from picking up a good one, which can be sold. If sellable items are picked up from Dropbox, the revenue of contracted recyclers decreases. The collection program will not be sustained because recyclers may not be able to get enough revenue from recycling of collected items. So if you conduct a kind of Dropbox collection program of e-waste, you should carefully design the Dropbox or waste bin. So that is the end of my presentation. Here is some reference in the last slide. Okay. Thank you very much.